इंडियन टी20 लीग का मैच नंबर 18 नॉर्थ और साउथ की टक्कर पंजाब वर्सेस चेन्नई इन दुबई। और जिनका ध्यान क्रिकेट की दुनिया में चारों दिशा में रहता है, आकाश चोपड़ा मेरे साथ, माय 11 सर्कल फैंटेसी पिक ऑन ईएसपीएन क्रिकेट। Before we get going and tell you what our recommended 11 is, please make a note of a very important pro tip. The scores at this venue have been a slight contrast to Sharjah, slowly decreasing. Now, this match will be played on a used pitch, so you've got to have enough bowlers and a few middle order batsmen in your fantasy 11. Akash, do you agree?
100%. And when you look at both the sides, you know that death bowling has been a concern. पर on a ground like this, खासतौर से जब आप दुबई में खेल रहे हैं, शाम का ही मुकाबला है, ड्यू आएगी जरूर, लेकिन जरूर अपने 6 बॉलर्स को आप रखें। टॉस जीत के आप क्या करते हैं वो भी आप चीज अपने जहन में रखें, क्योंकि इट्स नॉट अ ग्राउंड वेयर यू चेज वेरी वेल। तो ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन यू आर पिकिंग योर साइड, मेक श्योर दैट यू पिक द राइट गाइस।
राइट एक और अपडेट, कोई इंजरी नहीं है, सारे प्लेयर्स अवेलेबल हैं। और एक और बार इस गेम के रूल्स आपको याद दिला दें। प्लीज नोट दैट एवरी यूजर ऑन माय 11 सर्कल हैज 100 credits available to form the team. Each player has been assigned individual credit values, and you've got to pick players from 4 categories: batsmen, all-rounders, wicket-keepers, and bowlers, with a maximum of 7 players from one particular team allowed. Users are also allowed to pick 4 substitutes. ध्यान रखें इस बात का। हमारा कप्तान कौन है? Mayank Agarwal, who's played the role of the accelerator while KL Rahul looks to play himself in. Now, he's already played 3 games at this venue and knows exactly how to pace an innings here. Mayank is also the orange cap holder at the moment with close to 250 runs at a terrific strike rate of 166. So, Mayank Agarwal is going to be our captain. We suggest Sam Curran be your vice captain because, he opens the bowling for Chennai, also gets to bat in the top 6. If Punjab play a couple of leg spinners, he might be promoted up the order. Now, given his knack of taking wickets and the ability to score boundaries, he is a pretty good vice captain choice, we believe. So, Mayank Agarwal captain, Sam Curran the vice captain, and we'll give you our 3 other top picks as well. Nicholas Pooran, who's shown some promise off late after scoring a well-compiled 44 against Mumbai. Now, with a leg spinner and a left-arm spinner as part of the Chennai lineup, Pooran should give you a lot of points in this game. MS Dhoni, despite struggling with his health or fitness in that last game, he was among the runs. Now, he did hit a few good shots. We believe he'll be hungry, and if MS Dhoni gets going, no one will be able to stop him. So Dhoni is a part of our top picks, and so is Faf du Plessis, who has been Chennai's best batsman by a distance. Now, Faf has gone back to opening the batting. Since 2018, in this league, he scored 580 runs at a superb average of 35 and a strike rate of about 123 as an opener. Combine that with the form that he is in right now, and that makes him a must-have in your lineup. So Mayank Agarwal, the captain, Karan, the vice-captain, Nicholas Pooran, MS Dhoni, and Faf du Plessis make our top picks. Akash, do you agree, or would you make a change?
See, I agree largely, but I also have a feeling that KL Rahul could be your captain because he's also a wicket keeper. See, wicket keeper gives you points, catches आते हैं, stumpings आते हैं, and KL Rahul, as Mayank Agarwal is in red hot form, so I would actually be tempted कि थोड़ा सा swap कर लें, हम KL Rahul को कप्तान बना ले, and दीपक चाहर के बारे में थोड़ा सा और ध्यान से सोचें. He might actually be in one of your differential picks, पर दीपक चाहर मुझे लगता है नई गेंद से विकेट चटका रहे हैं, मुझे लगता नहीं, ये तो सच है, पर वो डेथ ओवर में भी बॉलिंग करेंगे, और जब आप ऐसी जगहों पे बॉलिंग करते हैं तो आप विकेट चटकाते हैं भैया.
You're absolutely right. Deepak Chahar is a part of our differential picks because he bowls majority of his overs in the power play and bowls them very economically. We saw him swing the ball so well, and he could give his team a few early breakthroughs, and that means more points for you. So go for Deepak Chahar, we say. And so is Sheldon Cottrell. Now, where to bowl him, where not to bowl him is a decision that the captain will have to make. But we believe he will come good, especially if he bowls in the power play. He's picked up 4 wickets in 4 games so far at a very good economy of under 6.5. In the power play. Now, against a vulnerable lineup like that of Chennai, he could provide some early breakthroughs. So go for him. Deepak Chahar and Sheldon Cottrell are a part of our differential picks. Now let's find out if KL Rahul is in our recommended 11. Yes, he is, sir. MS Dhoni, KL Rahul, and Nicholas Pooran. We're going in with 3 keepers. Mayank Agarwal, Faf du Plessis, Ambati Raidu, our batsman. Sam Curran, the only all-rounder in our recommended 11, and among the bowlers, we're going with 1 spinner in Bishnoi and 3 pacers in Deepak Chahar, Mohammad Shami, and Sheldon Cottrell. Among our substitutes, Mujibur Rahman, Ravindra Jadeja, M. Ashwin, and Dwayne Bravo. Dwayne Bravo, who did fairly well in the subs. Do you agree with that move?
I'm actually more inclined towards Ravindra Jadeja to be in the playing 11, rather the 11 that you pick, because he's got runs, he's got that form under his belt. सामने वाली टीम में वो शुरू में 2-3 तो राइट हैंडर्स आते हैं, तो वहां पर आप उनका इस्तेमाल भी करेंगे. गन फील्डर है, कैच जरूर छोटा पिछले मैच में, पर दैट वाज एन एबरेशन. सो रविंद्र जाडेजा की तरफ मैं थोड़ा ज्यादा इंक्लाइंड हूँ, क्योंकि विद हिज फॉर्म एंड नोइंग धोनी, वो फॉर्म का बड़े अच्छे से इस्तेमाल करते हैं. आई थिंक ही विल गेट प्रमोटेड अप द ऑर्डर एज वेल. तो खासतौर से जब लेग स्पिनर्स किंग्स के डालेंगे, तो मुझे लगता है कि भैया रविंद्र जाडेजा, ब्रावो इज अ गुड चॉइस. आई एम नॉट कंटेस्टिंग, पर मुझे लगता है जड्डू को आप ऊपर रखने जरा.
एक बहुत बड़ा डिसीजन ये होता है कि भाई कैप्टन किसे बनाया. हमने तो मयंक अग्रवाल को चुना है, लेकिन अगर आप किसी और के बारे में सोचना चाहिए, एक अल्टरनेट सिनेरियो हमारी थिंक टैंक ने आपके लिए यहाँ पर पेश किया है. केएल राहुल इज प्रोबेबली अ सेफर कैप्टन ऑप्शन गिवन चेन्नई हैव अ कपल ऑफ स्ट्राइक बॉलर्स अप फ्रंट, बट ऑफ लेट Mayank has been in better hitting form. So go with your gut and choose one of them after the toss. बहुत बड़ा एडवांटेज है टॉस के बाद अपनी टीम ही चेंज करना. आकाश की आपने बात सुनी, हमारी रेकमेंडेड 11 देखिए आपने, समय है आपके पास, जल्दी से जल्दी अपनी टीम बनाए और जीते इतने सारे प्राइजेस. For now, thanks so much Akash. That's it on my 11 Circle Fantasy Pick on ESPN.